Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Baroda Mutual Fund login. Click on the second link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of Bank of Baroda's Mutual Fund investment account. Go ahead and click login, which is over here, and you can see that there is a lot of login portals over here. So you can see mutual fund over here. Go ahead and click mutual fund and it will take you to this portal. Now you can see there is a user ID and password. Go ahead and fill them up. Write down your user ID in this box and your password in this one. After you write down your user ID and password, make sure that they are correct and then click generate OTP. You can see that an OTP will be generated, or else you can also log in using Quick Invest. And you can write down your PAN number, validate your PAN, and you can log in using this function as well. So all you need to do is log into your mutual fund in Bank of Baroda. Click on login, which is over here. So click it and click mutual fund. After that, write down your user ID, write down your password, click generate OTP. An OTP code will be sent to your email. Write down the OTP code and then you can sign into your Bank of Baroda Mutual Fund account. I hope this video about how you can log into your Bank of Baroda Mutual Fund account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.